9-channel remote control engineering vehicle set. Simulation cab. Overwhelming appearance modeling. Cool body pad printing. Rich body detail. 1 to 24 body scale. Loader. Dump truck. Turn on the switch. Turn on the remote control switch. Double rockers push forward. Rocker forward at the same time. The car moves forward. Press to turn on the colorful light. Press the rising arm. Rocker backward at the same time. The car backward. The rockers are matched independently one-to-one and can be played by more than one person. Press the descending robot up. Press to turn on auto demo mode. Left stick backward. Right stick forward. Car rotates left. Left stick forward. Right stick backward. Car rotates right. Press to raise the rear bucket. Press to lower the rear bucket.